Once again, I welcome you all in my channel Mathematics Made Easy. Some of the more applications of multiple angles and some mixed problems that I would like to share in this very lecture. In my previous lecture, I have discussed 3a. I repeat, sin 3a, 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a, cos 3a, 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a, tan 3a. Tan 3a is 3 tan a minus tan cube a upon 1 minus 3 tan square a. Now, one or two applications of this we shall try to explain. First, question number 1, he says, evaluate eight cos cube pi by 9 minus 6 cos pi by 9. See, my problem is to evaluate this 8 cos cube pi by 9 minus 6 cos pi by 9. So it is very simple. The application of cos 3 theta. See, I take out here 2 as common. It becomes 4 cos cube pi by 9 minus 3 cos pi by 9. Please correct it. Pi by 9. So now here theta becomes just equal to pi by 9. Theta is just pi by 9. I apply here 2 common. It is 4 cos cube a. Here is pi by 9. This is theta. Or you can just take here a pi by 9. It becomes here cos 3 times a. A is pi by 9. So this becomes 2 cos pi by 3. This is equal to 2 into half. That is equal to 1. So very simple direct application of the formula. That is, you can say take up here theta or a pi by 9. Apply here, get the value. Question number 2. These are just direct applications. He says prove that cos 6a is equal to 32 cos the power 6a minus 48 cos the power 4a plus 18 cos square a minus 1. So this I want to show. It's very simple. The solution here is cos 6a is equal to 2 cos square 3a minus 1. Angle का half किया. This is 2 cos 3a the whole square minus 1. That is 2 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a, this minus 1 the whole square. Open the square. It becomes here 16 cos the power 6a plus 9 cos square a minus 4 3s are 12 2s are 24 cos the power 4a, this minus 1. A minus b का whole square. Now open the brackets. 32 cos the power 6a plus 18 cos square a minus 48 cos 4a plus minus 1. So arrange as above. In the descending power of cos, you will get the required value as it required here in the question. Now take up one or two application of this result. Also in my previous lecture I have proved sin 18 under root of 5 minus 1 by 4 cos 36 degrees. This is cos 36 degrees under root 5 plus 1 by 4. So take up a question based on the above results. He says evaluate sine square 72 degrees minus sine square 60 degrees. See now this problem. See, I know the value of sine 60, but sine square 72 is not known. As I told you also previously, that we are not to remember these results like sine 72 or something. Whenever we come across with this, what we do? We say left hand side, always concentrate on sine 18 cos 36. It is sine square of 72 degrees. 1 minus cos square 72 degrees minus sine square of 60 degrees. See, now this becomes 1 minus cos square of 90 minus 18 degrees minus sine square of 60 degrees. That's why I have discussed, because I can apply here sine 18. It is 1 minus sine square of 18 degrees minus sine square of 60 degrees. This is 1 minus under root 5 minus 1 by 4 the whole square minus 3 by 4. Therefore, now simplify 1 minus 5 plus 1 minus 2 under root of 5 upon 16 minus 3 by 4. So this becomes here, it is 16 minus 6 plus 2 under root of 5 minus 12. It is 4 3 12. Therefore, upon 16. Simplify like this. It becomes here 16 minus 18 minus 2 plus 2 under root of 5 upon 16. So the value comes out to be under root 5 minus 1 upon 8. Right? Let us take up another question. Sine pi by 10 plus sine 13 pi by 10. Now again, better in this case is that you go in degrees, because sometimes we take help of this. Sine pi by 10 plus sine 13 pi by 10. Now this becomes equal to sine of 18 degrees plus sine of 234 degrees. Because pi radians I can take equal to 180 degrees. Sometimes we take up this in terms of degrees, otherwise in 90% cases we continue like this in terms of radians. So it is sine 18 degrees as it is plus sine of, it is 270 degrees minus 36 degrees. Because I can apply here cos 36. So it becomes sine 18 degrees plus cos minus cos, because it is sine 270 minus theta. Third quadrant. In the third quadrant it is negative cos 36 degrees. So now you put up the values under root 5 minus 1 by 4 minus under root of 5 plus 1 by 4. Check out. That is, use the values for sine 18 and cos 36. This is when you simplify, it is under root of 5 minus 1 minus under root of 5 minus 1 upon 4 comes out to be equal to minus half. This is the value. An important question, but you must solve such cases also from the book. You will find a variety of questions based on this. But concentrate on 18 degrees and 36 degrees. Now see, I would like to share with you one more, a very important question on this multiple 3a. But before that, I must tell you a note. This you must check up when you study in algebra inequalities. There is a question, it says solve x minus a over x minus b greater than or equal to 0. He says find the solution set of this. Here in the solution set there is a point that clearly x is not equal to b, x is equal to a are the critical points. These are the critical points. This in detail you will study when we go for inequations. Therefore, it cannot be equal to 0, x minus b not equal to 0, matlab x is not equal to b, and moreover x is equal to a. These are the critical points. See, x is not equal to b, x is equal to a. So I take up here a, it is b. Check out. It is coming from minus infinity. The portion is divided into 3 parts, plus, minus, plus. So you see we are coming from minus infinity going to plus infinity. Here it is not equal to this, it is equal to a. Check out. So we can just write down here, the solution is that x belongs to minus infinity to b union a to infinity, like this. That is, x is less than b or x is greater than or equal to a. Why it is positive sign? Because we have x minus a, x minus b positive. That's why this solution is x is less than b or x is less than or equal to a. This is the solution set. Now keep in mind, in detail, again I say we shall be dealing with inequalities, but here in numerical I would like to share with you a very important question. He says, show that tangent 3a upon tangent a. देखो, tangent 3a upon tangent a cannot lie in the interval 1/3 to 3 closed. It is one of the important application of 3a, right? So see the solution here. Let tangent 3a upon tangent a is equal to k. Suppose now therefore it is 3 tan a minus tan cube a over 1 minus 3 tan square a is equal to k. Here we have tan 3a, so it is here tan a like this. That is tan a, 3 tan a minus tan cube a upon this, or tan a can be taken as common from the numerator, 3 minus tan square a, 3 minus tan square a upon, it is tan a into 1 minus 3 tan square a is equal to k. Now this tan a will cancel out and you have 3 minus tan square a is equal to k minus 3 tan square 3k tan square a. Check out. or it is 3k minus 1 tan square A is equal to k minus 3, or tan square A is k minus 3 upon 3k minus 1. देखो, now because tan square A is greater than equal to 0, therefore k minus 3 upon 3k minus 1 is greater than equal to 0. Check out. So now this type of result, just now I have explained here, x minus a, x minus b greater than equal to 0. Clearly, k is not equal to 1 by 3, k is equal to 3 are the critical points. And the expression is positive. Take up a diagram here. It is 1 by 3. It is 1 by 3. It is 3. The expression is positive. So this much. Therefore, directly you can put up here. Therefore, k is less than 1 by 3 or k is greater than equal to 3. And the solution naturally is, this implies that we have minus infinity to 1 by 3 open union 3 to infinity, like this. Therefore, k do not lie in the interval 1 by 3 to 3 closed. So this is, I can say, the most important question on these multiple angles if it is a problem of 3a. So you simplify and proceed like this. Let us take up another case. The question is, it is evaluate tangent 9 degrees minus tangent 27 degrees minus tangent 63 degrees plus tangent 81 degrees. This. Again, a very important case. Now see the solution for this. We can just apply grouping. We say tangent 9 degrees plus is equal to, you can write down here, tangent of 81 degrees, इसको group करो, minus of tangent 27 degrees plus tangent of 63 degrees, like this, group like this. Now this is tangent of 9 degrees plus tangent of 81 degrees, that is tangent of 90 minus 9 degrees. Take up help of this. Minus tangent of 27 degrees plus tangent of 90 minus 27 degrees. Check out. And this is tangent of 9 degrees plus cotangent of 9 degrees minus tangent of 27 degrees plus cotangent of 27 degrees. See, we are to evaluate it. Change into sine and cos. Sine 9 degrees upon cos 9 degrees plus cos 9 degrees upon sine 9 degrees. Here also sine 27 upon cos 27 degrees plus cos 27 upon sine 27 degrees. Now this is equal to sine square 9 degrees plus cos square 9 degrees. It is 1 upon sine 9 degrees cos 9 degrees minus in the same way 1 upon sine square 27. It is sine 27 degrees into cos 27 degrees. Cos 27 degrees. Now this is 2 upon 2 sine 9 degrees cos 9 degrees minus 2 upon sine 27 degrees cos 27 degrees. 2 sine A cos A. 2 upon 2 sine 27 cos 27. It is 2 upon, it becomes sine 18 degrees minus 2 upon sine 54 degrees. देखो 2 I have taken as common. 1 upon sine 18 degrees minus 1 upon cos 36 degrees, because sine 54 is 90 minus, and this is just 2 outside, sine 18 and cos 36. 4 upon root 5 minus 1, ठीक है, root 5 minus 1 upon 4 minus 4 upon root 5 plus 1. Now this is 8 common, take the LCM, root 5 plus 1 minus root 5 plus 1 upon 4. So this will go, it is 1 plus 1, 2, 2 will cancel out. The value you will get on the right hand side, that is equal to 4. The value of this expression is 4. Yes. See, let us take up a case different from multiple angles. Problem based on maximum and minimum value of f theta is equal to a cos theta plus b sin theta. See, if you come across with a problem of this nature, what we do here, take up a question. He says find maximum and minimum value of f theta is equal to, it is 3 cos theta plus 5 sin theta minus pi by 6. Such problems sometimes we come across in the examinations. So the solution for this, see, f theta is 3 cos theta plus 5. It is sin theta cos pi by 6 minus cos theta sin pi by 6. Apply A minus B. Becomes 3 cos theta plus cos pi by 6, 30. 5 under root of 3 by 2 sin theta minus sin 30 is half, 5 by 2 cos theta. So this becomes 1 by 2 cos theta plus 5 under root of 3 by 2 sin theta. This is a f theta. Now, yes, half is equal to r cos alpha, 5 under root of 3 by 2 is equal to r sin alpha. Therefore, r square is equal to 1 by 4 plus 75 by 4 is 19 only. 76 by 4. That is equal to 19. That is square and f. R square is 19. Now see what is the position here. F theta is, yes, R common, cos theta cos alpha plus sin theta sin alpha, cos theta minus alpha, like this. Now we have therefore minus 1 less than equal to f theta less than equal to 1. Yes, implies, or better in this case make a change here. That is, we have minus 1 less than equal to cos theta minus alpha. Better you make this correction, less than equal to 1, implies minus r less than equal to r cos theta minus alpha less than equal to r. Now this implies minus under root of 19 less than equal to f theta less than equal to under root of 19. This implies minus 19 under root is the minimum value and under root of 19 is the maximum value. In this way you can find out the maximum or minimum value. So after solving this f theta, start from here. Minus 1 cos theta minus alpha this, r se multiply and plus. That's all. It is under root of 19 plus, under root of 19 minus. Now some more cases on the same topic I will continue in my next video, but also we shall start with trigonometrical equations, a new topic of trigonometrical equations. Based on that, a variety of questions again from that topic.